Housing inventory remains extremely tight. This is a chart showing active listings dating all the way back to 2017. I specifically wanted to point out the comparison between last month, October 2025, to October 2019. And as you can see, our current inventory is actually 9% lower than in October 2019. Now, we have recovered from the pandemic lows, but this is still way less than what the population demands, what's needed to satisfy the demand in housing. And even back in 2019, this was what's considered a tight market where we didn't have enough inventory to meet the demand. The other part of the equation is that the population of the United States has increased by 12 million people, meaning there's even more demand than there was back in 2019 with less inventory than what we had then. So this just shows that this is supportive of home values moving forward. It shows that we're likely to continue to see appreciation and unlikely to see a large decline in home prices.